Do you know that there are everyday foods, things you may eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, that are secretly speeding up the aging process in your body? Yes, it's true. You might be using anti-aging creams, exercising, even eating what you think is healthy. But if you're still including these three specific foods in your diet, you could be aging yourself from the inside out faster than you ever imagined. And here's the worst part. Many of these foods are marketed as convenient, low-fat, or even heart-healthy. But research shows they're doing the exact opposite, damaging your skin, your joints, your brain, and your energy levels. Today, we're going to reveal the three worst foods that age you prematurely. These foods disrupt your hormones, destroy collagen, increase inflammation, and even shorten your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that determine how fast you age. Stick with us to the end. We'll also give you three powerful anti-aging food swaps you can start using immediately to restore energy, tighten your skin, and even feel 10 years younger. And before we dive in, tell us in the comments below, what's one food you think might be aging you that you want to cut back on? All right, ready to reclaim your youth from the inside out? Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. You might be wondering, how does food cause aging? Let's break it down. There are three main biological processes that certain foods trigger, which cause premature aging. 1. Oxidative stress. When unstable molecules called free radicals build up in your body, they attack your cells and speed up the aging process, causing wrinkles, fatigue, and even disease. 2. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation damages tissue, speeds up cell death, and wears down your joints, skin, and internal organs. 3. Glycation. This is when sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin, forming advanced glycation end products, ages. These ages make your skin stiff, saggy, and wrinkled. Now here's the kicker. Some foods trigger all three of these processes at once. And those are the foods we're uncovering today. Let's dive into the first one. Number 1. Refined sugar, the skin wrecker. Sugar is delicious, addictive, and destructive. It doesn't just cause weight gain. It literally ages your skin, brain, and immune system. Where is it hiding? Candy, sodas and soft drinks, flavored yogurts, sweetened cereals, sauces like ketchup and barbecue, packaged snacks and baked goods. What does sugar do? It causes glycation, a process where excess sugar binds to proteins like collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin smooth and firm. The result? Wrinkles, sagging, and dull, lifeless skin. A study published in the British Journal of Dermatology found that people with high sugar intake had significantly more wrinkles and loss of elasticity in their skin than those with low-sugar diets. Another 2020 study in Nutrients Journal showed that high glycemic diets were linked to faster aging and a higher risk of chronic disease. But it's not just about your appearance. Refined sugar also increases inflammation, weakens your immune system, causes insulin resistance, which leads to type 2 diabetes, damages brain cells, contributing to brain fog and memory decline. Healthy swap. Instead of sugary snacks, try berries with cinnamon, Greek yogurt with a teaspoon of raw honey, a piece of 85% dark chocolate, natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. Your skin and your brain will thank you. Number 2. Processed meats, the collagen killer. This is a silent killer of youth. What counts as processed meat? Bacon, hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, ham, turkey, salami, beef jerky. These meats are often loaded with sodium, preservatives, and most dangerously, nitrates and nitrites. When these chemicals are heated, they produce nitrosamines, which are known carcinogens that cause cell damage, inflammation, and oxidative stress, all of which accelerate aging. A 2015 study in the Journal of Aging Research showed that people who consumed high amounts of processed meats had shorter telomeres, which is a key biological marker of aging. Short telomeres equals faster aging equals higher risk of disease. These meats also cause dehydration and inflammation, two enemies of smooth, radiant skin. And if you care about brain health, processed meats have been linked to higher risks of dementia and cognitive decline due to their inflammatory effects on blood vessels and neurons. Healthy swap. Choose lean, fresh proteins like a grilled chicken or turkey, wild-caught salmon, eggs, legumes, lentils, beans, chickpeas. Even better, marinate meats with anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric, garlic, and rosemary to boost longevity. Number 3. Refined vegetable oils, the silent agers. The third food may surprise you, because it's often hiding in so-called healthy meals. We're talking about refined vegetable oils, including soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil. These oils are cheap, heavily processed, and loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Now, our bodies need omega-6 in small amounts, but modern diets are loaded with them, creating a dangerous imbalance with omega-3. This imbalance triggers chronic inflammation, one of the biggest drivers of premature aging. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience linked excessive omega-6 consumption to brain shrinkage and faster cognitive decline in older adults. These oils are also easily oxidized, producing free radicals when heated. Found in almost all processed foods, dressings, fried items, and baked goods, associated with heart disease, obesity, and skin disorders. Here's something scary. Even healthy salad dressings are often loaded with canola or soybean oil, canceling out the benefits of the salad itself. Try this healthy swap. Cook with extra virgin olive oil, loaded with antioxidants and heart-healthy fats. Avocado oil, great for high-heat cooking. Coconut oil, anti-inflammatory and great in moderation. Grass-fed butter or ghee, if you tolerate dairy. These fats not only protect your heart, but also support glowing skin, brain health, and hormonal balance. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. The 3 worst foods that age you prematurely. 1. Refined sugar destroys collagen, increases inflammation, and causes glycation. 2. Processed meats, loaded with nitrates and preservatives that shorten telomeres. 3. Refined vegetable oils trigger chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. These foods may be convenient, but they are costing you years of vitality. The good news? A few smart food swaps can make a huge difference in how you look, feel, and age. Let's end with 3 powerful food swaps you can start today. Swap sugary cereals for oatmeal topped with berries and cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, and berries fight free radicals. Swap processed meats for grilled salmon or lentils. Salmon contains omega-3s that reduce inflammation and keep skin supple. Swap vegetable oil for extra virgin olive oil. It's packed with antioxidants that slow aging and nourish your skin. These little changes add up, day by day, bite by bite. Remember, aging isn't just about how old you are. It's about the choices you make every day. The foods you eat either build you up or break you down. So choose wisely. Start small and stay consistent. Leave a comment below. Which of these foods are you cutting out first? Your story may inspire someone else to take the first step too. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.